HDFC का कॉन कॉल शुरू हो गया है। केकी मिस्ट्री बात कर रहे हैं। लेट्स टेक अ लुक।
The merger will help the group enhance its market share consequent to leveraging on the distribution network of HDFC Bank. The bank will have access to the time-tested mortgage origination and loan servicing processes of HDFC, which have been built up over the last 40 plus years. The combined entity will be in a position to enhance operational efficiencies and offer the mortgage product seamlessly as against the current arrangement between HDFC and HDFC Bank, wherein the bank sources mortgages and acquires a predetermined percentage of the loan sourced through the assignment route. As per our estimate, 70% of the customers of HDFC and its subsidiaries do not bank with HDFC Bank, and hence the merger will provide the ability to cross-sell banking products to this large pool of customers. Presently, the bank does not source housing loans from all their branches, but only from those branches which are within close proximity of the HDFC office. Post completion of the merger, progressively, more and more of the branches of HDFC Bank will source housing loans. The merger will enable the delivery of the home loan offering to a large base of over 68 million customers of HDFC Bank in a seamless manner. Today, just 8% of the bank's customers have a mortgage product, and just 2% of the customers have a mortgage from HDFC. Also, under the banking structure, the features of a mortgage product can be enhanced in terms of product design, etc. Apart from the synergies mentioned above, the value of HDFC will not be depressed by the holding company discount so far as it relates to the shares of the bank. The unrealized gain on HDFC Bank shares as at March 31st amounted to Rs 1,57,118 crores. HDFC does not get full credit for this, and the market typically applies a holding company discount, which in some cases is as high as 40%. Consequent to the merger, the holding company discount will not be there, and this by itself should add over 62,000 crores to the market capitalization of the combined entity. The holding company discount will go away in as far as it relates to the shares of HDFC Bank. Thirdly, post the effective date, HDFC shareholding of 21% in HDFC Bank will be cancelled. This will open up a potential legroom of over 10% of further holding for FPIs in HDFC Bank. The cancellation will also be EPS accretive for the combined entity. Fourthly, the mortgage product will increase the asset duration of the bank's retail book. HDFC Bank currently has 11% of its assets in mortgages. Post the merger, this percentage is expected to increase to over 30% with the potential to grow much higher. Infusion of capital in the bank will no longer be a drag on the return on equity of the mortgage business. So these were some of the attractions of the merger. The bank has requested RBI for phased compliance in terms of timelines for CRR, SLR and priority sector lending requirements. The bank has also requested RBI to permit the bank to hold equity in the subsidiaries and associate companies of HDFC Limited. These requests are under consideration by RBI. HDFC's distribution network spans 675 outlets, which include 211 offices of HDFC's wholly owned distribution company, HDFC Sales Limited. HDFC covers additional locations through its outreach program. We continue to engage deeply with all our stakeholders on ESG. Our disclosures and reports are on the website, and for further information on ESG-related queries, you may engage with our investor relations team, Anjali and Conrad. During the year, the corporation's corporate social responsibility activities focus primarily on COVID-19 relief, healthcare, sanitation, education, and livelihoods. Additionally, our support for the specially abled cut across all focus areas. CSR activities were conducted either directly or through the H.D. Parekh Foundation. The total CSR spend during the year was Rs 191 crores. These are some of the highlights of the results for the year ended March 31st, 2022, and the quarter ended on that day. Before I conclude, I would like to wish each one of you good health and all the very best. Please stay safe. We may now proceed to question and answers. I would request you to kindly introduce yourself and be as brief as possible with your questions.
Thank you very much. We will now begin the question and answer session. Anyone?
चलिए, तो आप ये केके मिस्ट्री को सुन रहे थे कॉन कॉल पे, और वो HDFC और HDFC बैंक और HDFC लिमिटेड के मर्जर पर भी कई सारे उन्होंने इंपॉर्टेंट बातें की। उन्होंने कहा कि लोअर कॉस्ट ऑफ फंड्स दे पाएगा ग्रुप, और अब मर्जर के बाद एक बड़ा मार्केट शेयर होगा, और साथ ही बड़ी बात जो उन्होंने बोली कि 10% तक का अपसाइड ओपन हो जाएगा FPIs के लिए। तो देखना होगा और क्या इंसाइट्स निकल कर आते हैं HDFC। और बहुत क्लियरली ये बात IEC के सामने के मंच पर भी केके मिस्त्री ने कहा था कि HDFC बैंक और HDFC लिमिटेड के मर्जर को ठीक तरह से शायद कम्युनिकेशन नहीं कर पाए लोगों के सामने। अजय, आपको याद